Hello.
Right, boy.
Can I overdose on the antidepressants?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Where are we putting the corpses?
Big pile of bodies is out the front door, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, what, like where they already are?
Yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much. I was just
chuck them left.
looting the corpses.
Oh, a magazine.
What's the temperature outside?
Minus 10.6 degrees.
Oh wow, Jesus.
Fucking hell.
It's like March, why is it so cold?
Can you imagine all these bodies just come back alive? And they're all sprinters.
Oh man,
Come on, guys, tired already.
Yeah, mine's
oh,
drowsy.
that's a lot neater.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going outside, so if you hear screaming, come save me.
It's nice the flies are gone.
Yeah. Oh, nice. 2 cheese sandwiches ready to be eaten. Oh, I didn't wash my hands. Oh no.
Hey.
Oh, there's a locked door. I've sort of barricaded myself out. Could someone come to the cafeteria and open the door, please?
I wish we can get like a wheelbarrow.
Right, I'm doing the cafeteria.
Oh, there's a dead body back in. Gonna be finding them for ages, aren't we?
I might start exercising, or like every night before bed.
Yeah, it's better to do it in the evening.
What's that? Did you guys hear that?
Mm-mm.
What?
It sounded like someone trying to open the door.
Oh?
Let's ignore that. No dead body.
The fuck?
Right, I'm gonna put the belly button in. I mean, having a belly button piercing seems like a really bad idea, like in a zombie apocalypse.
Okay, just get ripped out, so.
Yeah.
I've done everything downstairs up to the cafeteria. I'm now doing the classrooms. If you meet up with me, we can go together.
Someone opening a door.
No.
It's making that sound effect again. Oh,
It's just
what's
me.
going on? Fish food. Yeah.
Oh my fucking god, Con. I saw your character through the wall somehow.
Just making sure you're awake.
Got this, so-
Yeah, I'm just going to sleep on the ground because it'd take forever to walk upstairs.
Alright, I'll be back in a minute.
Oh,
Oh,
what was that? I'm not really sleeping anymore. I think maybe Strin woke up. Are you asleep still?
fuck, yeah, I'm still sleeping.
Oh, what's happened to Strin?
Oh, shit. Wait, are you gonna get up?
I bet that... I guess we'll have to. I'm guessing that shot woke him up again.
Oh, fuck.
Strin! It wasn't like... Just had enough of this. Zombie apocalypse, I'm out of here. Just shot himself.
Wait, let's see what happened downstairs. Oh, you can make a newspaper hat? That's so cool.
Every now and then I see someone walk out the door, like walk past the doorway in the corridor, and it makes me jump.
There's so many lunch boxes in these lockers. And school bags as well. And books. We will never be bored again. Lockers?
Yeah, no.
Very great. Oh,
Fuck was that?
that was AK-47 fire. Machine gun fire. Rapid. Zombies are gonna come for us now. Fire.
Someone's taking shots at the school. Just wasting ammo.
Oh!
Uh,
Zombies
what?
at the front barrier. One's got a duffel bag though.
oh well.
Oh, you got your mopping bucket out.
Yeah. I'm well excited.
Cancelled.
Don't know, zombie.
Destroyed.
At least.
I think
It like jumps from the zombies to the bench to the barricade, like sets the school on fire. The fence is actually made out of deck cord, the stuff that just like explodes as soon as it meets a flame.
the entire outer perimeter just goes. It trains all the
Blows
zombies and
over.
fucking.
I'm here.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, yeah.
Is it me running into
It
the
sounds like someone's falling down the stairs. Well,
This door's shaking for some reason. Oh dear.
you haven't put it on the hinge properly.
It's like if you press it really hard. Like,
What the fuck?
I'm doing it now.
Oh, was that you?
No, it wasn't the first time, it was the second time though.
I can't place it 'cause it's like an occupied cell.
Oh, see if you can place it anywhere around here. No, it's not nowhere near.
I know, yeah, I can't put it on.
Unless you put it here and we'll just move the bodies.
I can't pick it up. Like, there's a chance it'll break. It's only 90%.
Oh, go on, that's fine, that's a safe
We're
risk.
feeling lucky.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You just fucking hammering it. Looks like you're hammering me.
Oh, this better work. I've not been very lucky today.
It didn't work, did it?
No.
Oh, what the fuck?
That was gonna happen.
I had a 10% chance of it not working.
I need someone to cover me, that zombie's coming at us.
Book plus lighter. Here we go.
Oh, don't lie.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We've got to put the bodies on first, haven't we?
Everyone grab a body. Just 100 dead bodies stacked on top of each other.
Like a vertical stack. Oh, this pile was never ending.
It's alright, only a couple hundred more. Killed a lot of zombies, didn't we?
Yeah.
Mm.
I like how neat the second pile is.
Yeah.
Just looks like a bigger fireplace, doesn't it? With loads of faces on the outside.
That's dark.
Looking up. It's fucking creepy, man. Like white eyes and everything, just staring up in the sky. Why don't we place them face down? Why don't we place them face up?
Yeah.
What? Oh, I'm hypothermic. Shit.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah,
put
you're not
some
really wearing
clothes
very
on, man.
much.
Oh my god, fuck.
Yeah, go inside. Count the dead faces looking up to the sky.
Yeah, don't start it without me.
Yes, we're nearly there. It's like one body left to move. The screen's gonna go white where it's so bright all of a sudden.
Antibiotics. Oh, cold pack.
I think that's like
Oh.
to keep stuff refrigerated. got hypothermia, just holding on to a pack of ice. Alright, you ready?
Here we
Yeah.
go.
Good luck, Strin. Oh, get out of there!
Oh, it looks nice.
Oh, lovely cozy fire.
Just wait. Oh,
Oh, there we go. Oh, there's one
Oh.
left.
That was quick.
Oh, there's something on the barricade. Oh, there's two, I
Yeah.
think.
What?
there's like 5 zombies coming towards us. I don't know. Can you guys fight?
No, basically.
I'm in agony.
I'll put it down.
Oh yeah, we just go to bed. Hopefully they'll leave us alone. We've lost a segment. Didn't stand a chance.
Leather jacket.
Maybe next time we can go and get the food from that shop and then start getting furniture from the houses around here.
Yeah, loads of containers would be nice. Be cool. Start doing some missions outside the base.
Yeah.
Scared to go out now. It's nice and safe here.
Yeah.